Are you stuck on how to improve your LinkedIn profile to generate more leads for your business? Watch this video for my foolproof method. Subscribe for the best advice on social media marketing and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video. So if you watched my first LinkedIn video, you'll understand how important it is to have your profile optimised before taking any other steps like making connections and sharing content. But what exactly should you do to optimise your profile so you attract more leads? By the end of this video, you'll have your profile in tip-top shape to attract leads from your ideal client. So you should have an idea about who your ideal client is. Now think about them as you go through your profile. This really helps write something that's going to work. So with your header, start by writing something that means something at a glance. Don't use a traditional job title like managing director or owner. When someone's looking at your profile, they'll be thinking, what's in it for me? So use your headline to inform them the benefits they'll get from connecting with you. Specify who you help and how. If you can describe the niche you serve, for example, helping B2B marketing directors save time and generate leads with Facebook ads. Then make sure you have a good quality headshot and profile background. If you want to look like you're taking the platform seriously, you have to have a good image. Your headshot should only include you and be of a reasonable quality, ideally with an uncluttered background. Get a photographer to take a professional headshot if you can. For the header image, there are plenty of good sites when you can download some really great imagery, like Pexels and Unsplash, and Canva is my go-to tool for creating social media graphics. Canva includes plenty of ready-made templates which you can adapt. Step 3. Write your main profile copy like a sales page. Remember, by default, people will only see the first few lines of this section, so try to make it as compelling as possible. You could start by saying something like, are you a marketing manager with very little time looking to increase leads and ROI on your social media ad spend? Then go on to say how you can help them. For example, I provide media advertising services with several years' experience helping B2B tech companies generate more leads from Facebook ads. Then back up your experience with some examples of projects you've worked on and the outcomes you've given your clients as a result. Step 4 is to make sure all your contact details are up to date with your website URL and social media handles, but I'd suggest including your email and phone number as well if you want people to contact you. Step 5, get some recommendations or testimonials. It's worth asking people directly for these and offering to write one back. If you're not happy asking them, then you could write recommendations for others as they're likely to want to reciprocate, but this is never guaranteed. So these are the most important steps to take to optimise your profile so you're ready to start sending connection requests and posting your own content. If you have time, there are several other elements of your profile worth filling out, like your skills and adding a few images or other media. But the most crucial are headline, photo, profile copy, contact details and getting recommendations. If you like this video, please let me know by liking below, subscribe and share it with your friends and comment below with helpful if this video helped you.